this event was very interesting. It confirmed what I have been believing for a long time, that is, it is possible actually to move to even 100% renewable system. The grid operators described that it is challenging but technically possible. Most importantly is that today we don't need all the solutions for 100%, but we learn by doing, we develop solutions until we get to where we want to land. So this is reassuring. The other important thing is that we had very constructive regulators. Regulators are also fully aware that they have to be much more innovative, much more open-minded to be able to design regulations that include new technologies and develop new business models. And of course, the other thing is that once we bring clarity, because clarity is what we need, then things can happen much faster.